Hi everyone. So let's take some more examples related to deadlock problem. One problem is, let's say we have total resource of particular instance is 6. So 6 instance of resource R is available and each process Pi requires 2 instance of resource R. So in the previous problem we have number of processes given, but we need to find the total or instance of resource. But in that case the total resources are given, but here each process requires 2 instance of resource, but there is no number of processes are not given in this question. Okay, so we need to find what is the maximum number of process which will not cause deadlock. So how many maximum number of processes you can use here so that deadlock problem will not occur? Let's say if we have process P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 and process P6, total 6 processes are available, then all these 6 processes use only one instance of resource R and the resource is completely freed up. Okay, completely completed. What I mean to say, if the 6 instance of resource R is available and each process from process P1 to process 6 uses this resource, then they will use only one instance of resource R, okay, for each process. So in that case deadlock is occurred. So if we have 6 processes, then definitely deadlock is occurred because each process requires 2 unit of instance of. And now let's say we have total 5 resource P1 to P5, then we will allocate one instance of resource R to each of the 5 processes and we have left one more resource R, one more instance of resource R. Then we will allocate this resource to any of these processes, and if any of these processes will get this resource, then they will use and freed up after some time this resource and also this resource. Let's say if process P1 get a chance to use this resource, then they will use these 2 resources and complete their execution. After completing the execution, they will free these 2 resources, and these 2 resources will be used by other process. That means here if we use 5 processes, then no deadlock will occur. So maximum number of processes which will not cause deadlock is 5. And what is the minimum number of processes which will cause deadlock? The counter question is, what is the minimum number of process which will cause deadlock? Then what is the answer? Here minimum number of processes is 6. So if the number of processes are 6, then definitely deadlock will occur. And above 6, definitely deadlock will occur. If the number of processes is 7, 8, 9 or let's say or more, then definitely deadlock will occur. But minimum is 6. 6 is the boundary. And maximum is 5, where deadlock is not occur. If we use 4 process, then definitely deadlock will not occur. If we use 3 process, then definitely a deadlock will not occur. Okay, so this type of questions is asked in GATE exam. Okay, in the next video we will see the various strategies which are required to handle the deadlock problem.